Hello everyone, welcome to the Mathwala Mahesh. Today we will start next exercise, which is exercise 1.3. So moving to the first question. First question is write down write down the next three terms in each of the sequence in part A to L, and the partner discuss the term, explain how to find the term in each sequence. So we have to find the next term, and also we have to explain what rule we applied. Okay, so I will take the first question, which is a 1 3 5 7 and 9. Okay, so we can see that if we add 2 plus 2 in this one, we will get next. We will also add plus 2, we will get 5, and also we add plus 2, and for the next term we will also add plus 2. So the next term will add plus 2. The next term is now adding plus 2. The next term is okay. The next three terms is 11, 13, and rule is add, okay, add 2 in the last term, and we will get the next term. Okay, now moving to the next one. B option is 1 2 4 8 16. We can see that if we multiply 1 by 2, we will get 2, and if we will get 4, this we will multiply 4 to get 8, and to multiply 8 we will get 16. So the next term is multiply 2, which is 32, multiply 2, which is 64, multiply, which is 28. Okay, so we will get 32, 64, and 28. The rule we follow is multiply by. Okay, so this is all we have done. First, okay. Next one. Next 4, 8, 12, 16, and 20. We can see that if we add 4, then we will get 8. Add 4, we will get 12. And this is our the next three term is in 20 we will add 4, so we will get 24, 28, and 32. And add 4. The option you do by yourself, and you can see that we have to subtract 4. 26 minus 4, 22, 22 minus 4. Okay, so you write by yourself the next three term. E option 3, 8, 18, 33, 53. What is the gap? Is 5. If we add 5 in 3, we will get 8. Next, we will add 10. Next, we will add 15. And next, we will add plus 20. So you can see that we have to add 5, 10, 15, and 20. Okay, this is multiple of 5. So we have to add next multiple of 5, which is 25. If I add 25, I will get 8. If I add 30, I will get 8. If I add 35, I will get 1. So write this one. The next 3 term is 108, 103, and the rule we followed. The next multiple of now f 1 2 4 1 2 4 11. First I will erase this one. Check the gap. We add +1. In next one we will add +2. Next one we will add +3. Add +4. So the next term is add +5, which is 16. So we have to add 5. Now add 6 in 16. If we add 6, we will get 22. The next term is 22. And we will add 7. Then we will get means the right here add the natural number. Okay, this is option, and this is the rule we have applied. Okay, moving to the next one. G option, 2 by 3, 4 by 6, 6 by 9, 8 by 12, and 10 by 15. So you can see that how we will get 2 by 3 if I add +2 in numerator and +3 in denominator, then I get 4 by 6. Okay, and for next one I add +2 and add +3, and I will get 6 by 9. Okay, so the rule is we have to add 2 in numerator +3 in denominator. Okay, so this is the rule, and how to find the next 3 term. So the next 3 term is, if I add +2 in 10, I will get 12. 3 in 15, I will get 18. Next one is 14. 16 on 24. This is the next 3. Okay, so this is you can do H option. You have to add +3 and +5. Okay, +3 in numerator, +5 in denominator. So you will get H, and I in I 3, 10, 29, 66, and 127. 7 and +7 is 19, and Okay, if I add plus 7 plus 19, then this is not any rule. So we have to think again. Okay, if I can see that 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, and 5 cube is 125. If I add 2, I will get this, I will get this, next, plus I will get this, plus 2. So the next 3 term is, so this is 2 cube, this is 3 cube, this is 4 cube, this is 5. Next term is 6 cube, 8 cube. What is 6 cube? 2 is 3, 5, 2. And if I add 2, if I add plus 2, and if I add 2, I will get the next rate is 8, 3, 4, and 5, 1, 4. And what is the rule? The rule is add 2 to next cube number. This is the rule. Okay. Going to the next one. J option you can do add next. You can see that if I add plus 3 and plus 7, plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9, it means you have to add next odd number in numerator, and next this is 1 cube and 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27, 4 cube 64. So next cube number in denominator. Okay. So this is the rule. Okay. You by yourself. Next one is option 1 by 5, 3 by 10. Here we can see that if we have to add plus 2 in numerator, we will add plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. So the next term is 11, 13 and 15 in numerator, and what is in denominator? It is next odd number. Okay. This is 5, this is 7, this is 9, this is 11. So we have to add plus 13, so we get 50, and plus 15, 65. We add plus 17, and you will get 82. So what is the rule? Plus 2 in numerator and next odd number denominator. This is the rule. Okay. Now The last one is 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8 and 13. Okay. If I add these two terms, 1 and 1, so I will get 2. So I get 2. Okay. And if I add these two numbers, I will get 3. So the next term is 3. If I add 2 and 3, I will get 5. If I add 3 and 5, I will get 8. This is if I add 5 and 8, I will get 30. And if I add 13 and 8, I will get 1. And if I add 13 and 1, I will get 34. And if I add 21 and 34, I will get previous terms. This is our answer and this is the rule. Okay. Moving. So what is the second question? The diagram shows the first 4 patterns in a sequence. Each pattern is made by joining square tiles. Count number of tiles in these 4 patterns and write them down as the terms of a number sequence. Okay. So how many tiles in pattern 1? There are 2 tiles. In pattern 2, you can see that 3 and 3 6, and in pattern 3 4, 8 and 12 tiles. In pattern 4 5, 10, 15 and 20. So there are 20. So the answer for the option is 2, 6, 12 and 20. Okay, this is number sequence. So next one is continue your number sequence by writing down the next 3 terms. So for finding the next 3 terms, you have to find what is the pattern or what is the rule the sequence follow. We can see that if I add plus 4, then I will get 6. If I add 6, I will get 12. If I add 8, I will get 20. Similarly, we have to add next even term. Okay, so the next even term is 10. So I will get 30. Next even term is 12. So I will get 42. Next term is 40. So I will get 56. Okay, so the answer for B is 30, 42 and 56. These are the next 3 terms. Okay, these. How many tiles will there be in pattern 10? So this is our pattern 4. Okay, this is our pattern 4. So we have to find for pattern 10. Okay, this is pattern 4, this is 5, this is 6 and this is 7. And what is the 8th pattern? If I add plus 16, so I will get 72. And if I add 18, I will get 90. And if I add 20, so I will get 110. So this is our pattern 4. This is 5. This is 6. This is 8. This is 9. This is 10. Okay. So 9, 10, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, this one is my mistake. This one is 7. This one is 8. This one is 9. And this one is 10. Okay. This is 110. So how many times will there be in pattern 10? 110. Okay. So this is question number 7. Moving to the next one. What is question number 3? The first 4 patterns in diagram are shown in a triangular pattern. This one. Count the number of circles in these 4 patterns and write them down as a number sequence. So how many circles in pattern 1? You can count 3 and 3, 2, 5 and 1, 6. This is our 10 and next one is 15. Okay. So for A option, the answer is 3, 6, 10 and 15. This is the number sequence. Continue your number sequence by writing down the next 3 terms. So for next 3 terms, you have to find the rule. So the rule is, if I add plus 3, if I add plus 4, we find, and if I add plus 5. Okay. So add next natural number. This is our rule. So if I add plus 6, I will get 21. If I add plus 7, I will get 28. If I add plus 8, I will get 36. Okay. So these are the next 3 numbers. So for B, the answer is 21, 28 and 36. C option. Pattern 4 is made from 15 circles. Which pattern is made from exactly 91? Okay. For 91, we have to add the next numbers. So our number sequence is 3, 6, 10, 15, 21, 28, 36. So if I add plus 9 in 36, okay, I will get 45. If I add 9, I have to add 10, I will get 55. I have to add plus 11, 66, plus 12, which is 78, plus 13, which is 91. So which pattern is this one? 91. Because in the question we have to find exactly 91 circles. Okay. So for 91, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, this one is 8, this one is 9, this one is 10th, this one is 11th, and this one is 12th. Okay. So our answer is, we have to find which pattern. So answer is pattern moving to the next one. In the fourth question, the pattern in the diagram are the first four in a sequence made from white tiles and colored tiles. Count and write the number of white tiles in this four pattern. So the number of white tiles, we can see that there is one, two, three, and four. Four tiles, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 tiles, and this is 4, 4, 8, 12, and 16. Okay, so the pattern is 1, 4, 9, and 16. Okay. Because we have to find white tiles only. What type of numbers have you written down in your sequence for white tiles? What type of numbers? We can see that the one is square, 4 is 2 square, 9 is 3 square, and 16 is 4 square. Okay, so what type of numbers? This is square numbers. How many white tiles are there in pattern 9? We can see that in pattern 1, one tile, in pattern 2, 4 tile, in pattern 3, 9 tile, in pattern 4, 16 tile. For any pattern, if we have find any pattern, we have to find the square of that number. Okay, so how many tiles are there in pattern 9? So we have to do 9 square, which is 81. Okay, simple. In which pattern are there exactly 225 white tiles? We know that 225 is 15 square. Okay, it means this is pattern number 15. So the answer is pattern 15. B option. Write down the first four terms in the number sequence for the color tiles. Okay, so color tiles, it means green color. It is 1, 2, 3, and 4. First is 4. Second one is 8. Third one is 12. And next one is 16. It is multiple of 4. 1 is 4. 4 2 is 8. 4 3 is 12. And 4 4 is 16. Okay. So the sequence is 4, 8, 12, and 16. Work out the number of color tiles in pattern 4. We can see that if we find the number of color tiles in pattern 4, so we have to multiply that pattern by 4. It is 4 into 10. It is 40. Okay, 40 color tiles. C option. Write down the first 6 terms of number sequence that shows the total number of tiles. So total number of tiles, it means 4 are colored and 1 is not colored. It means 1 is white, and in second 4 are white, and 9 are white, and 16 are white. So now we have to add these two numbers. Okay, 4 plus 1, 5. It is 12. It is 21, and it is 32. Okay. So if I add the number sequence 6 terms. Okay, so the 4 terms are 5, 12, 21, 32. Similarly, if I add 25 and 36 and 4 colored tiles, I have to add 20 and 24. Okay, so the answer is 45 and this is 40 and 60. 45 and 60. Okay, this is the number sequence. How many tiles are there all together in pattern that has exactly 100 white tiles? 100 white tiles. It means so 400 white tiles. It means we have to find that. So this is white tiles and this is colored. Okay. So 400 white tiles. We have to check that 100 is 10 square. Okay, so the pattern 10 has 100 white tiles. Okay, this is pattern number 10, and in pattern number 10, if there are 100 white tiles and then the number of colored tiles are 4 into 10, means 40. So the total of tiles are 140. It means how many tiles are there together in pattern that has exactly 100 tiles. It means 100 white plus 40 colored. It means 100 plus 40, 140 tiles. Okay, this is our answer. So now moving to the next one, fifth question. The first three in a sequence of pattern made of white and colored hexagons are shown in the diagram. This diagram. The sequence showing the number of colored hexagon is 4, 8, 12 and ABC. The sequence showing the number of white hexagon is 4, 5, 8 and PQR. Find the values of ABC. Okay, so we have to find the value of ABC. Means 4, 8, 12, A, B and C. Okay, so what is the rule this pattern follow? It is multiple of 4. 4, 8, 12 and next term is 16, 20 and 24. This is multiple of 4. Okay, so what is the value of ABC? A is 16, B is 20, C is 24. Second one is P, Q and R. So 4, 5, 8, P, Q and R. What is the pattern? If I add plus 1, we will get 5. If I add plus 3, we will get 8. So we have to add the next odd number. So the next odd number. What is next odd number 5, next odd sum, that was 9. So we find B. If I add 8, I get 13. If I add 17, I will get 20. And if I add 9 in 20, I will get 29. Okay. So this one is 29. Moving to B, describe one feature of pattern 5 that none of the other pattern has. Okay, pattern 5. For this one, we have to write pattern here 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. So the colored hexagon. First one is colored. How many colored hexagon? You can see that this sequence is colored hexagon. It is 4, 8, 12, and 16, 20. The next one is white hexagon. White. How many white are this sequence? 4, 5, 4, 5, 8. P, Q, R. P is 13 and Q is 20. Okay. So we have to observe the pattern 5. In the pattern 5, we can see that there are 20 colored and 20 white hexagons. Okay, so we can say that the one feature is equal numbers of white and colored tiles. Okay, this is the one feature we have observed. Now moving to the next one, sixth question. For question number 6, squares are made by arranging equal length sticks in two colors. The sticks on the outside of the squares are a different color to the sticks on the inside of the square. So we have to copy and complete the table to show the 4 number sequence produced by this pattern. Okay. First one is, you can see that stick on the outside. Stick on the outside. How many sticks on the outside? It means the red color. It is 4. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You can see 4, 8, and this one is 12. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, 11, and 12. Okay, this is our 16 red color. Okay. So stick on the outside 4, 8, 12, 16, and for the next pattern we can see that the pattern follows multiple of 4. What is multiple of 4? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, and 32, 36, 40. Okay. This is how. So we have to write this pattern 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, and this one is 15 into 4, 60. So the next one is stick on the inside. Inside means inside means the black one. Okay, so here are 0, so this one is pattern 1 is 0. In the second, 1, 2, 3 and 4, so 4 for pattern 2. Similarly we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So 12. Okay, I'm writing in the red one. Third one is 12. Fourth one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So 24. So you can see that what is the pattern in this one. What is the pattern? So if I add plus 4 and if I add plus 8, I will get 12. If I add plus 12, I will get 24. So the next term is I have to add 20 because this is multiple of 4. So we have to add the multiple of 4. Okay, so 24. This is 16. 4, 8, 12, 16. So the number is 40. So we have to write similarly. If I add plus 20, I will get 60. The next term is 60. If I add plus 20, I will get 84. Next term is 84. Similarly, I add 28. I will get 12. If I add one is 144, and if I add 36, you will get 100. Similarly, for the 10th, the sequence is for the 10th term we add plus 36. Okay, for the 10th term we add multiple of 4, 4 into 9. Okay, so for the 15th term we have to add 4 into 14. It means 56, and this is how you will get 4420. Okay, if you don't understand, you can find the next terms by counting. Similarly, this one, like if I add, this is 120, 180. If I add plus 40, I will get 220. If I add plus 44, I will get 264. If I add plus 48, I will get 2, 3, 2, 1, 3. If I add plus 52, I will 364. If I add plus 56, I will get 420. Okay, so this is our 15th number, 420. Okay, and the total number of sticks. So we have to add these two sticks. Okay, so 4 plus 0, 4. 8 plus 4 is 12, and 12 and 12, 24. This is 40, 60, 84. Similarly, 112 and 144. It means you can see that sequence 4, 12, 24, 12, 24, 40, okay, 220, and this is 480. So this is how we have completed the table. Okay. So this is our question number 6. Okay. So moving to the last one, which is 7. Square white tiles and square color tiles are used to make the patterns on the diagram. Pattern 1 has been removed from diagram because it was on the clay. Okay, because it was on clay. Okay, pattern. So this one is pattern 2. Okay, we have to find what is pattern 1. So the copy and number the tables to show the number of white tiles, number of colored tiles. Okay, doing first question. Okay, we have pattern 2. So in pattern 2, the number of white tiles is 1, 2 and 3. So we can write so sorry for the inconvenience. So previous diagram was not correct. So I have corrected this one. Okay, so we can see the pattern. So how many white lines? White lines in the previous, in the pattern 2, this one is pattern 2. So there are 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 white lines, and in pattern 4 there are 8 white lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so you can see the pattern 4, 6, 8. So in pattern 1 there will be 2, in pattern 5 there will be 10, 6, 12. Okay, it means multiple of 2, because we got 4, 6, 8. These are multiple of 2. So the pattern 1 for this one is. Now how many colored tiles? How many colored tiles in the pattern 2? There are 3 and 3, 6. Okay, in pattern 3 there are 11, and in pattern 4 there are, in pattern 4 there are 18, 18 tiles. Okay, 16 plus 2, 18. So 6, 11 and 18. So what is the rule? Pattern 6, 11, 18. It means we have add plus 5, we add plus 7. For the next one we have to add 9, 27. For next one we have to add 11, it is 38. It means we have add 3, means this would be 3. So the pattern is 3, 6, 11, 3, 6, 11 and 18 and 27 and 38. Okay. So the next tiles manage multiple. So this is our table, and total tiles are 2 plus 5, 10, 17, 26, 37, and 50. We have to add these 2 plus 5, 4 plus 6, 10. Finally, this one. Okay. So A is completed. B, use the number in your table to draw pattern 1. So pattern 1 has 2 white tiles and 3 color tiles. So if I draw pattern 1, then it means 3 red, those 3 are colored, 3 color tiles, and 2 are white tiles. It means we can see that 2 white tiles. Okay, so 2 white and 3 colored. So this is pattern 1. I will draw here 1, okay, and 2 are white. So 2 are white. This is question number B. C option. Find the total number of lines in pattern 10. This is pattern number 6. So we have to find pattern 7, 8, 9, and 10. So what will be 10? Here we can write 14, 16, changing the color, 14, 16, 18, and 20. And for this one, color tiles, we have add 11. Now we have to add plus 13. So we get 51. If I add plus 15, 66 plus 17, 83. And if I add plus 19, I'll get 92 and 102. Okay, 102 plus 20. So total tiles are 20 plus 102 means 122. 122. Okay. This is our correct answer. 122. And 40, this one 40. So we have completed exercise point 3, and thank you. Thank you for watching the video. And if you have any doubt, please write in the comment section. I will check in the next video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much.